Hey guys, Stan Dale, President of Florida Suncoast Chapter. Hope you're doing good. Hey, did we have a great weekend last weekend? We took about 30 some people to out to two different events. First of all, Lakeland Cars and Coffee at the Fields BMW in Lakeland. And thanks, Damien, for getting that set up. And we're back, and Fields is really happy to host us. And we'll see that grow and get bigger and all those kind of things. Curtis and all the guys there, hello to you. And thanks for having us. And then we trekked out. We had a slew of cars leave Port Charlotte, Punta Gorda, out through the country. We all met at the Florida Air Museum, and thanks to Florida Air Museum for hosting us. What a great event that was. I'd never been there. Ton of airplanes, ton of memorabilia, history. It's just a really neat place to go. I would encourage you, if you haven't been, to go do that. And then we trekked on over, had some barbecue, just enjoyed a really great social time together, all of us. And then we all broke off and did different kind of drives back home. So if you're not out doing this kind of stuff, this is what we put it together for. And it was a great weekend, really enjoyed seeing everybody. We have a lot on the calendar. Let me jump right into it, and I'm not gonna be able to get everything, so I'll just remind you, go down to the calendar and check it out. There's a lot of things. I just counted July. There's already 10 events on July, and I know not everything's on the calendar yet. So check out those events. But by the time you see this event may already be over with. This is Thursday the 19th. It's the combination Florida Suncoast and the Z Chapter monthly luncheon. On the 21st is Fort Myers Cars and Coffee. On the 1st, we have two events, the St. Pete Clearwater meeting, and then on the 1st is the Jacksonville meeting. On the 5th, we have two, Sarasota Cars and Coffee and the Panama City movie and dinner. So two things on the 5th. On the 12th, two more events. Jacksonville Caffeine and Octane, big program up there in Jacksonville. And then on the 12th, Southwood Cars and Coffee. And on the 13th is the Naples Cars and Coffee. So check all those out. We have a couple of really nice tours coming up. In July, on the 18th, we have the Burmos tour. We're going to go up and see that car collection. And then we're going to trek down to St. Augustine for a really nice dinner. So we're coming up to the northeast corner of Jacksonville and checking that out. We have another event that's in the plannings. We don't have a date for it yet, but this is the Panhandle Tour. This is where all the South Florida sort of heads up to the Panhandle, Panama City area in that turn. And then the Panhandle comes in and we meet. There's lighthouses in the discussion, restaurants in the discussion, historical hotels in the discussion. There's a lot of things happening. We don't have a date for it yet, but looking for that drive to come. And then let me talk to you about track nights. First of all, Rich and Damien taking over our track program, and I think we're up into the middle teens as number of cars that are coming out, BMWs that are coming out. So that's really a good step up. So track night Sebring. We also have the GT1 World Challenge is coming to Barber Motorsport in Birmingham. So that's for the Panhandle group and folks from here that want to trek up there and participate in that. The ticket prices are amazing, is what they're giving us. And then also we have Track Nights America at Sebring. So check all the track schedules, and I'll just remind you, except for July and August when we take the time off, we also have a really enthusiastic group for our road course stuff, our autocross that's down here in the Fort Myers area. So come check that out. Even if you're not going to do it, I enjoy just going out to see the autocross sometimes. It's a really long autocross, and we get to see some really good speeds, and it's a really good course setup. Let me talk to you about the last one on my list for the night is the October drive. We just extended one day. We're moving it back to the 8th. We now have reservations at the Foundation to see the Alpina collection for a discounted price. And we're working on a tour of the factory. So check that out. And then we have two really nice drives. We're going to do the Tail of the Dragon as always on Friday. But Saturday is the Tom Clee Memorial Drive. So there's a drive that Tom had laid out in conjunction with Anthony Forte, and Anthony's going to be the lead drive on this one. But it's a really nice drive, the Tom Clee Memorial Drive, and we'll put that into our drive repertoire, if you will. So I mean, there's a lot of things on the calendar. Just take a look and see. I mean, there's just a lot of stuff, and there's still more coming in. So a lot of ideas, a lot of enthusiasm, a lot of programs, a lot of drives, a lot of tours, etc. So until then, don't sit there, waste time. Come on, get off that sofa. Let's go play. Until then, happy motoring, y'all. Happy 4th of July if I don't see you.